It's another unboxing, shock horror, who would have thought it? But I don't think the contents of this box has anything to do with suction cleaning. No, it is a Hoover, who better, but it is a Hoover something else. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? I have a sneaking suspicion that this is actually two boxes in one, and I'm almost right. Ooh. It's a box that does have something to do with suction cleaners though. The box is from the ELX Power Vacuum. I had one of these brand new years ago when they were like 42. Oh, marvellous, loud, big old things these were. Don't think that's what's in here. No, I was certainly not expecting an ELX Combi Power Vac. Yeah. Okay, so it has been sort of modified. In fact, let's cut this out first and see what we can see. Try and keep that combi vac box, that's a decent size for posting a cylinder cleaner in. We'll get there in a minute. I do still think it's a couple of boxes made into one, but I've done that before. There's not a lot wrong with it. Come on. One flap. Two flaps. And the third one is here. Crikey. There we go. That's the size the box should be. What else is there? Lots of lovely packaging. We'll keep that for sure. And then in here is the machine itself. Yes, the unmistakable look of a Hoover product. Now I think there's a fair few bits to this, so I'll get them all out as I can. Here is one part. It's the handle. Oh, lovely paint finish on this, the exact same shade as the Hooverette, but with an extra little lever at the back. Nice Hoover branded handle grip there. And I think I can pull the rest out. Oh no, this goes with it as well. There we go. Put that there. We can pull this out and indeed confirm that we are looking at a Hoover polisher. I suppose they would have been sold as shampooers, although I don't have any of the right foaming stuff to do anything with that, so yeah. Let's undo it. Whee! I'm sure the cable's fine with that. Fine. There we go. Undo this piece from the handle. There we are. Yes, it's one of these. It is a Hoover. Here we go. Hoover 546 floor electric shampoo polisher. And yeah, it's one of those ones. From there's a little pretty bow look around the cable. Nice genuine ribbed cable. Don't appear to have a handle mounting bolt though. That's what I do. Look, it's here. Huzzah! let me get this on and we'll have a look at this other part of stuff that goes directly with this. And there we are, the machine is together. But what's in the rest of these? Well, it should be a lot of parts for it. So we have these black brushes. There we go, nice soft black brushes that sit inside of these two. So I'll pop those there. What else have we got? We have these two stiffer brushes. And here we have two polishing pads and the original instruction manual, which will hopefully tell me what we actually have. Quite handy, really. Does it actually take us through the pads, or am I going to have to make it up as I go along? I think we are. I thought there'd be a nice how-to. Well, it's showing, actually there's this as well. All these are never used genuine Hoover packaging in here. These will certainly be the polishing and buffing pads, and I think they sort of sit, I want to say, on there. But I don't actually claim to be an expert. In fact, I think I know how these go. They pop on there. And then these studs in here, just like on your coat really, should pop on. I don't know really, the manual is saying that they pop on. Oh, there we go, look. Ah. Crikey, so to buff my floor, we have to put two sets of pads on. There we go, so that is it set up for, well, doing whatever we do with it really. We may as well leave those on because I can do that on the laminate then. Pop all that up there, definitely keep that somewhere safe, and yeah, it can be filled with water. It's been a while since I've had one of these. Somehow, that's it. This is the water tank, I think. No, this is all. Let me read the manual and come back. This isn't doing what I thought it would. Figured it out. It's a good job we got the manual, isn't it? This is where you put your polish. So you'd unscrew the cap. Doesn't smell like it's ever been used. And yet, using these two spray nozzles there, you would literally squeeze it all over the floor and then buff it in with this to use as a shampooer. You simply pull this up and pop this off, and this is the solution tank. In fact, this handle here pushes down a little rod there. That little rod basically lowers this down, which is the valve that then floods water out, which goes down into this little tube and away to either the carpet or the floor. So that is most certainly something right there. We'll pop that back on. I imagine they get lost quite a lot, so that's probably not a bad thing to have. And I'm going to reposition so we're over the laminate and not the carpet for now. Once we've had a look at this mem plug, look, mem. We've not had a mem here before. Made in England. Doesn't really say anything else. It'll be a standard generic-y, fairly cheap plug, I suppose. Right, let's turn this on the hard floor. We'll pop it there. Apply apply some power and see if it turns on. Seems to run okay, but I'm not doing anything here because I'm not putting anything down. But I forgot about that. The actual on-off switch is in the handle, but just like the 1980s Hoover Juniors, it turns on and off like that. Yes, that's about all there is to really show you in this unboxing video. It is just basically two brushes on the end of the motor with a tank to literally drop water onto the floor. In carpet mode, the water seems to drip onto the brushes, but in floor mode, it literally just cascades straight down onto the floor and gets picked up by the machine. So yes, certainly the sort of Hoover machine that's probably brought in its droves, but then never really used after that. We might find something to use it for, and I'll do another video. But for now, this video is certainly done. The next time you see this, it doesn't sound too bad. Certainly to me it seems quite smooth. It's not really very powerful, it's only 250 watts. And yeah, little decent thing. Oh, let's take that off. And we'll lay out everything that we have. So yes, we have these, which they feel very felty. I think that will be final buff. These are basically scouring pads, so they're going to be scrubbity dub. They're definitely polishing. I've seen those for vehicles before. Just not 110% sure what they're for. They're certainly brushes. And obviously they're carpet scrubbing brushes. All genuine Hoover though. It's obviously been well looked after, this machine. And then finally these, which are sort of the same material as that, perhaps just a little bit softer. So there we go. The Hoover floor polisher slash, well, electric shampoo polisher, according to the manual. First look. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Shall certainly see it again all cleaned up, if not maybe a little bit before, if I can find something to do with it before it's refurbished and goes off to its owner. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I and the Hoover Shampooer will see you soon. Bye bye.